Let our Christmas Central designers show you how to wrap and decorate your Christmas gifts like a professional. Start by cutting your wrapping paper to the desired length. Make sure you cut a little extra so the paper can overlap. Spread your wrapping paper flat and place your gift in the center. The bottom of your gift should face up. Here's a little designer tip. Use tape to secure the wrapping paper to the bottom of the package so it doesn't move around. Bring the edges together and tape. Now, rotate your package and fold one side of the paper from the bottom towards the top of the present. Fold the edges diagonally, paying attention to your corners and creases. Do the same with the other end. Next, take the pointed flap and fold it under, making it straight and even with the other folds. Tape it in place. Fold the other tip the same way. Bring the ribbon around from the bottom of your box to the top, leaving enough extra to make a loop. Twist the ribbon 90 degrees and press down. Wrap the ribbon around the other side of the box. Make sure there are no extra twists in your ribbon. Cut the ribbon long enough to create a matching tail for your bow. Bring the top ribbon end around and under before tying the two ends together where the ribbons meet. Tie a simple bow, just like tying your shoelace. You may have to play with the loops and ends a little until they lay nice and straight. Once you have your bow the way you like, cut the ribbon ends at an angle to finish them off. Tuck part of your greens under the bow. Trim any stems that stick out. To add pine cones, wrap florist wire around the top of each pine cone. Twist and cut. Leave a few inches at the end to attach the pine cones to your ribbon. Carefully trim wire ends if necessary. And there you have it, a professionally wrapped Christmas present with holiday charm.